In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create Klaviyo account. First thing you need to do is to head over to klaviyo.com, and then from in there you should be able to see in here their website. As you can see, you can just input right here your email address and proceed to sign up. So on my case, let me head over and then just input right here my address and click on this sign up option. And once we have done that, you'll be presented right here into this get started option. Input right here again your email and enter in here your desired password and then click on continue. Now from in there you will be asked about your company. So in this case, just input right here your company website as well as your company name. Note that the asterisk with fields are required, so make sure to input that right here. And if you click on next, and after that you will be asked for your phone number and how you will be using Klaviyo. So let's choose in here for my own business and make sure to click onto this I'm not a robot option and enter in here as well your phone number. So let me input right here my phone number. Once that's done, click onto this right here. Click on create an account and then this will submit all of your details to Klaviyo. For this, just wait for this to be submitted, and after that, you should be able to be redirected to the account setup of your Klaviyo account. So just wait for this right here. This will create your account. Choose in here your actual business and how you will describe this. For example, in my case, I'll choose in here hotel for the hospitality and travel and click on continue. And then choose in here the main focus of your business right now. I'll choose in here automation as well as in here is selling products or online options right there. So just choose in here which one you want and click on continue. And then after that, it will actually ask for your primary business platform. So you can choose in here which one you want. And you can also click on this I don't use a platform option once you're done. Now from in there, just wait for this to actually be set up. And from in there, you should be able to access your Klaviyo account once this is actually done. You can also input right here your contacts and input right here business address. However, you click on continue. Then after that, you can input right here your sender name as well as your sender email address. Click on continue once you're done with this. After that, choose how you want to actually use Klaviyo. I'll choose in here all of this and click on continue. Then after that, you just need to open your email in order to get the confirmation. Just proceed to confirm your email right here. And then you will be directed in order to actually go over to the onboarding of your Klaviyo account. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.